Noting papers allow the DSB to raise issues for informal consultation, distinct from the formal consultation process via decision proposals. This is a summary of Noting Paper 323. NP 323 seeks specific NFR issues to discuss in the Non-Functional Requirements Workshops. Workshop 1, Sydney, 10 a.m, 18th August 2023 at Data 61 office in Redfern, New South Wales. Workshop 2, Melbourne, 1 p.m, 29th August 2023 at NAB office in the Melbourne CBD. Workshop 3, Virtual, at 1 p.m. on the 5th of September 2023. In NP 323 and in this summary, the following terms are used: CDR, Consumer Data Right; NFR, Non-Functional Requirements; NP, Noting Paper. The workshops have the following agenda: 1 hour, discuss the process for managing NFRs in the CDR. Is the standards process insufficient? How should planning of expected usage be conducted? Should we conduct regular workshops? What sort of data can be used to plan NFRs over time, and how should it be shared? 2 hours, discuss specific NFR issues. NP 323 seeks feedback on NFR issues to be discussed in the workshops. 2 hours are allocated for discussion of NFR issues, with 10 to 20 minutes per issue. NP 323 and the workshops seek feedback only. A decision proposal will be published for consultation on decisions after feedback from the workshops is assessed. Candidate NFR issues should be raised as comments on NP 323 in the DSB Standards Repository. If you have an interest in these topics, read NP 323 for additional detail. To provide your feedback, add your comments to NP 323. Thank you for participating in developing the consumer data standards.